Hi, I'm Daniel and I am from Studio DJC Creative and you are watching Behind the Frame. The whole editing process for me is all about making the photos pop to the best that they possibly can. Now, you might look at a photo and go, wow, that's amazing, but you might not notice that quite a lot of effort goes into maybe pinch down like highlight clippings or to like make the eyes pop in the photo, just like slight enhancements. We're not like using Photoshop, we're not like making it completely plastic and, you know, fake. We want the real photo to be there, but you're just like emphasizing the parts of the photo that you want the person to see. So with Sunflower Symphony, we were out at a place called Sam's Sunflowers in Hayling Island. First time I ever met the model. We collaborated on this shoot together. We had a really good time doing it. It was actually really hot this day. It was really hot in the photos, but I'm so glad that actually the photos have come out really well. It was such a great vibe on this shoot. Like, we really had a good time. I felt like we really relaxed with each other. There was lots of things dotted around the field, like we had a piano, we had a bathtub, we had, not to mention a huge ginormous sunflowers everywhere. But there was just so much to do. I definitely would recommend it. At time of print, I'm not entirely sure whether it's still open at the moment with the sunflowers because it's sort of getting to the end of the season. But if you do have a chance to go, I would definitely recommend it. So I'm Daniel, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.